In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Chase Home Purchase Saving feature. Now, this option or this feature within Chase is called Chase My Home, combined with the Chase Autosave. These integrated tools within Chase allows you to estimate your home buying timeline, as well as calculate your down payments and automate your saving rules. So now, in order to access this feature, all you want to do is within the Chase application, head over to the Plan and Track option that you should be able to see on the bottom. If you do not straight away see it, head over to the More options and simply head over to Plan and Track or the Mortgage or Home option. Once you're inside of this, you could use it for affordability as well as savings calculator. So once you're inside, you can simply tap on the calculator option within the My Home dashboard and then open up the calculator. You need to input your information so that you could get an estimate. Secondly, you could also set up the automated savings feature. So you could set up a particular goal, for example, for your home down payment, and then on schedule, for example, on the set time that you've added in, which could be weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly, the savings would be automatically made. So these are some of the features that you get. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.